Sure, doing your tax return online can be easy, but making mistakes is easy too. Mistakes that can cost you a lot of time and money. And to get it done, you either stumble through it alone or hire an expensive professional to do it for you. Well, not anymore. Taxtim is here to help. Taxtim is your personal digital tax assistant who will help you file your tax return with confidence, quickly, easily, and correctly, and at a fraction of the cost of traditional specialists. He'll ask you a series of simple questions about your income and expenses, tell you exactly what documents you need and where to look. He'll make sure you claim for every possible deduction to save you money and reduce your tax. Taxtim completes your return for you with everything in the right place and ensures you don't miss a thing. So you'll always be maximizing your potential refund and never be in trouble with the tax man. It's as easy as 1, 2, 3. 1. Register at www.taxtim.com and answer a few setup questions. 2. Make a small once-off payment for the service you need. 3. Answer Tim's easy questions as he completes your tax return and then submits it directly to SARS for you with one click. Now that's tax made easy.